Hey guys, so today we're doing more work on the 3000. I'm about to head up to Walmart to get paint and also get sandpaper because I want to repaint my bumper and also fill in the holes. And we also need to give her a bath because she's really dirty, so we'll see how today goes. Catch you later. Alright, so I'm on my way home. I had to go to Home Depot for my dad, so I needed to get stuff from there, but I had to eat first, so I went to Starbucks. Always the green tea frappuccino, 6 pumps of syrup. So now I'm on my way back home. Back at the house. Now you can finally see how filthy my car is. Oh, that's so bad. I don't know why I let it get like this, but today, working on the bumper, I'm trying to see if I can fix this up a little bit. And sorry about the focus. Maybe fix this paint chipping right here. There's a big, it looks like somebody hit this maybe from, this is a junkyard bumper. Maybe try to sand this down and fill it in as well, because that's kind of bad as well. So, but first things first, wash. I don't know why I let it get like this, but wash time. Alright, so got the car all washed up. Looks a lot better now. So now to work on the back bumper. Alright, so I think best to start off with the 180 grit, maybe. I don't really know, but I'm gonna just start on like this area right here because it's super bad. So about to see how we do with this one first. If I can get it open. There we go. Probably should have bought a little handle for this, but it's too late. I'm gonna use half of it for right now. So I got the microfiber. See if that does better, because the paper towels were leaving little bits of it everywhere. So I got that done. It's gonna dry. So I opened it, and that's what we're working with pretty much. So about to see how this works, because I haven't used this in a while, and got the cream hardener, and I hope it's still usable. So now y'all, we needed something to put it on. So I found a piece of cardboard, so I'm gonna use that for now and start getting to work on this. I'm just gonna split it out on the cardboard and try to get it mixed up. So let's see if I can get this open. Go with the small one because I don't need a super huge one to get this stuff out. This can barely fit anyways. So I had to grab a pencil, so I'm gonna start putting this stuff on. I don't know if the sunlight has anything to do with how long it takes to harden, but let's hope not, so that I could actually get time to have this used. So I'm about to use this much. Now add some of this. Oh my gosh, it is not mixed, so I think that's bad. We'll see if it still works. Alright, so I didn't get it recorded, but I got pretty much all the little imperfections filled up. This one was the worst. It started drying really quick, so I think I might have added too much cream hardener. But that's pretty much all that it needed. So now they let it wait, and then we're gonna sand.